Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To fix an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo, try force restarting your device. Hold down the home and power buttons simultaneously, or volume down and power for newer models. If it doesn't work, connect your iPhone to a computer and use iTunes Finder to update or restore it. Select Update first to keep your data. If that fails, choose Restore, but note this will erase all data. If these methods don't work, seek professional assistance.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.